Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to another video of Jinkxzz, and today I'll be showing you how you can turn your phone's camera into a webcam for applications such as Zoom, OBS, Skype, etc. So you can use this for your meetings, for your online classes, if you prefer an HD version of a webcam, basically, because the webcams which you get for cheap prices are not that great. So if you have a good camera on your phone, it'll be really advantageous. So let's get on with the video. So first, what we need to do is we need to go to this internet web address called dev47apps.com. I'll be leaving the link below in the description. And what you need to be doing is you need to either download the application on Google Play Store if you have an Android device, or if you have an Apple device, you need to download it in the App Store. So I have it on the Play Store, which is the Android version of the App Store. So I'll be downloading it there. I'll be showing you where to download and all that stuff. So what you need to be doing is, if you have a Windows PC, this is only for Windows computer. This is not applicable for Mac OS. So if you have a Windows PC, click on download Windows client, then click on this DroidCam client version 6.3.2. it may vary on the when you'll be downloading this. So click on it and it'll be downloading it here. So once it downloads, I'll get back to you guys. Right, so once it's installed, just click on it and wait for the pop-up to load. Yeah, so just click next, just click I agree, click next, make sure all these three are checked, and install. Alright, so the installation on the computer has been done. So what we need to do now is we need to go to our phone and download the same. Right, so we're now on the phone. We just need to go to the Play Store and just type in DroidCam. There we go. And click on install. So once it's done, just open the app and keep it. Alright, click next. Got it. Allow. Allow. So what it essentially does is it takes your phone's camera and records its video and audio and sends it to your computer for live stream. So it's a really great feature to have, since if you are having a very bad webcam, you can use this as an alternative. Alright, so when you're in the app, just make sure that you click this camera icon and make sure it's the front camera, because you need to take your selfie. Or if you prefer the rear camera, that's all on your personal preference. Then what we need to be doing is going to DroidCam client on your PC, enter the Wi-Fi IP which is seen on the phone onto your computer, enter the port number, and click on video and audio. Click on start, and we will be having, you can see me here, and I'm here. You can zoom in, pinch to zoom in, pinch to zoom out, you know, I'm here, perfectly visible. Alright, so I'll just start a new meeting. I'm in the new meeting. Join. Click your microphone as microphone DroidCam virtual audio, and your source as DroidCam source 2. So now you can see me here in the screen as perfect, and it's a really great alternative. As you can see, I'll show you the drop off of quality. So this is my normal camera. You can see this from this to this. So this is a really great feature which everyone can try, and everybody, the link will be there down in the description, and hope to see you again soon. Take care.